right. Just we've addressed a few of these throughout the course, of this webinar, but just kind of circling back around on things to watch out for. Trading houses, making sure you're specific with the named place of destination. Your shipping costs built into the price per unit. And this is really important to think about. If your supplier is selling you your widget for $1 a piece and 20 cents of that is freight, and that's not broken out on your invoice, you're going to be paying duties and taxes on your freight as well. So it's something to keep in mind. Plus they mark it up.
And I would also add that if you say you're buying that widget at $1, how long is that the value good? Like 6 months, whatever you negotiated. If you're buying out of, say, China, guess what? Right after the Chinese New Year, the freight rates are going to drop through the floor. Is your price for the widget going to go down? I don't think so.
Probably not.
So, there's in markets with high volatility, like bear that in mind.
Definitely do your homework. We really suggest that you be the one to suggest the Incoterm. Make a push for whatever makes sense, the most sense for you and your business. Insurance, as we mentioned before, there's just a couple of C terms that specify who's responsible for insurance. So make sure this is discussed up front and put it in your contract, get it in writing, make sure it's determined who's covering the insurance.
Yeah, because you would assume on a D term that your shipper is going to do it, but again, they really don't have an obligation to do so. If they're smart, they've got it and they've done it, but talk about it for sure.
Just the buyer's liability when buying on Ex Works. We talked a lot about that just because you're liable for everything. And then shippers building in margin if sold on a D or C term. So
yeah, we just talked about that.
We just hit that.